Modern factories produce thousands of motorcycles every year. The production process begins with various motorcycle parts. These parts are delivered to different assembly sections. Steel tubes are shaped to create strong motorcycle frames. Automated welding machines assemble the frame structure. Precision welding ensures durability and strength. The frames move through the production line. Engineers carefully inspect the frame quality. The frames receive protective and decorative paint. The paint is dried to create a smooth finish. Skilled technicians assemble the powerful engines. Each engine component must be installed precisely. The completed engines are placed into the frames. Suspension systems provide stability and comfort. Wheels and brakes are added for safe riding. The fuel tank is installed next. Controls and wiring connect the motorcycle systems. Exhaust systems help manage engine gases. The motorcycle body is completed with seats and panels. Lighting and electronics are installed. Each motorcycle undergoes strict quality inspection. Engines are tested to ensure proper performance. The completed motorcycles are prepared for shipment. Finally, the motorcycles are delivered to dealerships around the world.